everyone, today I'm Rajpreet Kaur is here to explain you the topic HCF and LCM with very easy methods. So let's start our activities. Now in this, again we will find HCF using the same method, just we will put the balls in the factors of 12 and 24, which is written on this paper, and according to that we will find HCF. Let's start. Again, to take some balls, factors of 12 are 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself. Then again, now we will find the HCF of the factors of 24. Let's find that. The factors of 24 are 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12. Now we will see in which of the cups there are 2 balls. In 2, we will write down in 2, in 3, in 4, in 6 and in 12. So it means say 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the highest common factor HCF of 12 and 24. So let's go towards our next activity to have more clearance about HCF and LCM. So now in this activity, we will learn how to find HCF, that is highest common factor, in very easy methods. So there are few examples. We will take the very first example, that is 6 and 10. Let's take them. We will put the number 10 on one side and the number 6 on another side. Now there are few coins made of foam sheet. We will take 6 coins from green side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And we will take 10 coins from the red foam sheet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the last one, that is 10. So now there are 6 on this side and 10 on this side. So there are 4 extra coins in the side of number 10. We will take out 6 from number 10 and we will set these coins. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 coins on this side and 4 coins on this side. We will take out 4 from this side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now there are 2 coins left on the side of 6 and 4 coins left on the side of 10. Now we will take out 2 coins from this side. The both sides are equal, so it means the highest common factor of 6 and 10 is 2. Let's find the another example. Now the second example we will take, that is 7 and 13. Let's observe the same method. Take 7 foam coins from green color or any color that you want. And the last one, that is 7. And 13 coins from red side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and the last one, that is 13. So now from the side of 13 we will take out 7 coins. Now there are 6 coins left on the side of 13 and there are 7 coins on the side of 7. We will take out 6 coins. Now 1 coin is left. Let's take out 1 coin again. Again we will observe, we will take out 1, again 1, again 1, and now both sides are equal. So it means the highest common factor of 7 and 13, that is 1. Thank you everyone. Hope you have understood the topic LCM and HCF and enjoyed this video.